a globally recognized and trusted brand in the sector of fire safety. Shoot Fire by Vimal Fire Controls India has been offering state-of-the-art firefighting solutions over the past 4 decades with its dedicated research, indigenous development and ultra-modern innovations. With more than 250 employees, it is India's only company to provide integrated R&D, manufacturing, live demos and testing facilities. Having an annual turnover of about $30 million, the company does its business nationally and internationally while working with some highly reputed customers. From providing live fire training through its academy and delivering emergency response services via chartered air cargo flights, Vimal Fire Controls has become Asia's only company to cater to end-to-end firefighting solutions all under one roof. Protecting people's lives and their businesses by pioneering innovative products has rightfully made Shoot Fire the fire experts of the industry.
We had a very humble beginning in 1983. Just 4 people started refilling and maintenance of firefighting equipment with modest turnover of rupees 15 lakhs per annum. Today our committed team successfully provides end-to-end all type of fire extinguishing solution, and I feel very proud of that.
Shoot Fire currently has Asia's largest R&D facility, which has always been the backbone of our business. As fire experts, we employ some of the best minds in the industry who are constantly exploring new ways to provide high-tech and affordable fire safety solutions. Moreover, committed investments in new technologies have made us leap far ahead of our competition. Our fire experts have developed some of the most cutting-edge products in-house, making Shoot Fire a market leader in firefighting technologies. Our products include world's first UL-listed 10,500 GPM capacity foam monitor, UL-listed 500 GPM to 6,000 GPM foam monitors, remote-operated foam monitors up to 10,500 GPM capacity, 3-in-1 HazChem water, foam and dry chemical powder monitor up to 6,000 GPM capacity, automatic rim seal fire protection system to protect floating roof storage tanks, automatic rail gantry fire protection system, automatic tank lorry shed fire protection system, automatic sluice valve fire protection system, automatic centralized fixed foam feeding system, automatic foam pourer system, automatic petroleum product pump house fire protection system, nitrogen injection fire prevention system for oil-based electrical transformer, UL-listed cylinderless automatic fire extinguishing system to protect electrical panels, fire alarm system, firefighting vehicles, world's only VDS Germany approved linear heat cable to protect tunnels, cable galleries and conveyor belts, high expansion foam generators, aluminium fire extinguishers, low temperature gas tight suits. Continuing with our legacy of indigenous R&D, we have introduced next generation firefighting robot, which is designed to fight any type of fire safely in the most inaccessible areas. Vimal Fire is proud to bring its fire safety expertise to residences and small establishments. A first-of-its-kind fire protection kit is the first line of defense in an emergency fire situation. Our high operational standards and superior quality products resulted in our company winning a national award from the Honorable Vice President of India, Shri Krishna Kant. Since then, we have also won numerous prestigious awards from ASSOCHAM, FSAI, Sikona, Fire India, and more recently, FIST Award for the year 2021 for our firefighting robot. Vimal Fire Control is Asia's only company to successfully cater to critical emergency responses in large-scale catastrophic incidents via chartered air cargo flights. Like during the LPG blast at HPCL's Visakhapatnam refinery, ONGC Pasarlapuri blowout fire, major multiple tank fire at Ceylon Petroleum Corporation in Sri Lanka, and decanting of product from the tank at the Enoch plant in Dubai are amongst few incidents which employed our emergency response services. Some of the major clientele in India are Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, and many such clients in the field of IT, data centers, power sector, railways, coal and mines, aviation, ports, and defense. Internationally, our portfolio includes clients like Dangote Oil Refinery Corporation, Nigeria, Kuwait National Petroleum Corporation, Petrofac, UAE, Emirates National Oil Company, UAE, and Kuwait Oil Company. We are also registered vendors for some international clients like Petronas Malaysia, Qatar Petroleum, and Bahrain Petroleum Corporation. Vimal Fire Controls has the distinction of executing the single largest contract of $25 million for India's largest government-owned oil company, the Indian Oil Corporation Limited, for their 5 oil refineries. Our Fire Safety Disaster Management Institute, the IMSAFE Academy, is equipped with world-class facilities and live firefighting modules that deliver exceptional training. It is also a recognized partner with India's National Skill Development Corporation, which comes under the Ministry of Skill Development.
Finally, I would like to say, people get scared of fire, but our team has proved time and again that fighting any kind of fire is made easy with technology. Thank you.
We are Shoot Fire, the fire experts, making your safety our top priority.